Space debris, aka orbital debris. Space debris, also known as orbital debris, refers to the man-made objects that are left behind in Earth's orbit after they have served their purpose. This debris includes everything from old satellites, spent rocket stages, and discarded equipment to tiny fragments of material that have broken off from larger objects due to collisions or explosions. The amount of space debris in Earth's orbit has been increasing rapidly since the start of the space age in the late 1950s, with the number of debris objects currently estimated to be around 128 million. These objects are scattered across different orbits and altitudes, ranging from just a few hundred kilometers above the Earth's surface to as high as 36,000 kilometers. The consequences of this space debris are significant and wide-ranging. One of the primary concerns is the risk of collisions between space debris and active spacecraft, which could cause serious damage or even result in the loss of the spacecraft. Even small pieces of debris can cause significant damage due to their high speeds, which can exceed 28,000 km per hour. This is why spacecraft and satellites are designed to include protective measures, such as shielding and maneuvering capabilities, to minimize the risk of collision. In addition to the immediate risk of collision, space debris can also have longer-term consequences for space activities. As the amount of debris in orbit continues to increase, the risk of further collisions also increases, creating a cascade effect in which more and more debris is generated as a result of collisions. This can make certain orbits and regions of space unusable, limiting the ability of spacecraft and satellites to operate in those areas. Another consequence of space debris is the impact it can have on Earth. When debris objects re-enter the Earth's atmosphere, they can burn up and create fireballs, which can pose a risk to people and property on the ground. In addition, debris that does not burn up completely can fall to the ground, potentially causing damage or injury. Efforts are underway to mitigate the impact of space debris, including developing technologies to clean up debris and prevent further accumulation. Some approaches include using nets or harpoons to capture debris, using lasers to vaporize it, and developing new materials that are less likely to generate debris when they break up. However, these efforts are still in the early stages and will require significant investment and international cooperation to be successful.